Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Marie, and today I'm gonna show you how to make my own DIY sanitizing wipes. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, it was hard to find sanitizing wipes. So I searched the internet and found a way to do to make wipes at home with the materials we already have. That's my dog, Frankie. Okay, so what we're gonna need is if you have a concentrated Lysol solution, and this is a 28 fluid ounce bottle. It makes up to 14 gallons of cleaning power. Okay, we're gonna need a cup, any cup will do, and a measuring cup. In this case, I'm using a shot glass because I'm only making a small batch. I only make small batches at a time. And we're gonna need warm water, also baby wipes, preferably unscented. We're also gonna need an empty canister of an old sanitizing wipe container. If you don't have these, you can use those square containers with lid. That's fine. Gonna need a pair of scissors and resealable bag. Also, I have some paper towels here to use to clean any spillage. Let's start. Okay, so first, if you can see here on the Lysol container, it says if you want to disinfect, I don't know if you can see that, you can mix 1 fluid ounce of the solution of Lysol solution with 5 fluid ounce of warm water. So 1 part of these to 5 parts of water will make a disinfecting solution. That's what we're gonna do. So we're going to pour the 1 part into our cup. There we go. It's like we're making an alcohol drink. We're not. And then we're gonna add the warm water, 5 parts. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oops, spills. Clean up on our table. There we go. I forgot to bring a spoon, so I'm gonna use my scissors, pair of scissors. These are clean, just to stir my solution. Okay, now usually I make small batches of the wipes, so I would use half of pack of baby wipes, and then I would squeeze the excess water out from the wipes, so it does not dilute our cleaning solution, our disinfecting solution. So I'm just going to turn this. I cut this package on one side, and so we're gonna turn it on this side down and squish out. I have a trash bin beside me. I'm gonna squish out the excess water so it does not affect our liquid solution. I'm gonna take out as much water as I can. I'm just basically squishing out the pack so the water flows down. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that's the open part, facing down on the bin or on the sink to squish the excess moisture, excess water out. There we go. Now we're gonna take our bag. Open our bag. We're gonna take, this is actually half of this package. I've used half of this earlier, and so we're going to put our wipes in the bag. There we go. Put it on the table right here. Let's close the lid for this one, for the Lysol. So if you can see, okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to pour a third of our solution onto one side of the wipes. There, I hope you can see the yellow liquid right there. And we're gonna turn this over. I'm gonna pour another third of the solution on the other side. There you go. Okay. And then we're going to turn this on its side, the wipes. Turn it on its side like that. And then we're going to pour the rest of the solution in between the folds of the wipes. Make sure it is they are well distributed within the wipes. There we go. Now all the solutions have been poured inside the bag, front and back, in the middle. Now we're going to, let's seal this side for now. And then, so we're going to massage the wipes. Make sure the solution moves around in there. Okay. Squish on one part, so the solution would move from one part of the wipes to the other parts. There you go. Okay, so now once I think it's ready, once we think the solution is well distributed, it's time to put them in the container. Okay, so this container we have is half full because we've been using it. I'm just gonna add more wipes onto the container. Now, so we're gonna pull the wipes, the sheets one by one, like so, and drop them in the canister or any container you have. Okay, so just yep, you can smell the Lysol solution there. So just drop them in the container. Okay, just try to leave some air in between the wipes inside the container. Do not try to pack them tight, so we are not pushing the liquid down to the bottom. Okay, so they stay so they stay saturating the wipes. There you go. After you fill your container, that's your DIY sanitizing wipes. We're gonna put the rest of them on the side for later. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.